Good afternoon or morning, everybody, and welcome back to the video. Hope you guys are all enjoying your wonderful Sunday morning or afternoon, and welcome back to another weather forecast here with Adrian's weather forecast. And before we get into the video, I want to thank you guys for the support. We've been getting a ton of subscribers within the past couple of days. We're already close to 2,035 subscribers. That is crazy how fast we are getting past these 2,000s, and it's crazy. I want to thank you guys so much for the support, and I know we can get to 2,000 in no time with the support from all you guys and your friends. Again, speaking to friends, be sure to share the channel to any friends or family that you think will love my channel, help me grow. Again, share social media or anything. And as you guys can tell by the title, we're going to be focusing on a potential nor'easter for later next weekend. Again, it's very unlikely so far. It should be a lot bigger yesterday. Right now, models are really showing it dying down. So, again, it's still close to 6 days away from now. So, it's, again, like I said, very far, about a week or so out. So, again, this definitely changed. But, again, this pattern change is very, very, very boring. So this is really the only thing I could come up with since I've already done like 3 Western videos, and this is really the same thing. So I'm just going to be posting really a potential nor'easter. Again, this video won't be incredibly long. Again, these videos for the next couple of days will be very short since there's not a major topic yet. But again, be sure to hit the like button. Let's try to get to 10 likes in this video. Be sure to hit the post notification icon to get notified when I do my daily weather forecast. Both that first, let's get into weather forecast. So we are going to be looking at the National Weather Service just to get this video a bit longer, and for those people who want to know if they have any weather alerts to worry about. We do have a couple winter weather advisories out here into Montana, out there into the northern plains, and a couple out here into the northeast. Again, these winter weather advisories are for mostly lake effect snow out here for the past system. Again, we've just seen a good amount of snowfall out here for New York, and also out here into Maine. Just a ton of lake effect snow. It's going to be continuing all the way into possibly Tuesday early morning. And then we do have winter weather advisories out here into western counties of Minnesota, near Fargo and Grand Forks. And we also have a couple winter weather advisories out there near Bismarck. And then we have a winter weather advisories not far from Bozeman. And then we have a couple special weather statements and even marine weather statements out there off the Louisiana coast. Special weather statements out here for northern Texas and western Oklahoma. And then we do have lake wind advisories in effect off Lake Tahoe. Again, it's going to get quite windy over there. Also near Carson City. And then still have winter weather advisories. Wind advisories, not winter weather advisories. Wind advisories out here, not far from the coast of California, just north of Los Angeles. And we do have high surf advisories for much of the California area, especially for Los Angeles and San Diego. Okay, that's really it for the National Weather Service. Not necessarily anything major to talk about. And then we still have flood advisories and flood warnings off the Mississippi River, as it is going to be very rainy in the next couple of days, and it's really over flood stage. But now we're going to be looking at the tropical tidbits first. We're going to be looking at GFS. And we're going to be looking at GFS first because we usually, for snowstorms or basically many things, we look at the European first. But we're actually going to be looking at the GFS first because the GFS is showing it a lot bigger, and it's actually showing a nor'easter. The GFS or the European isn't necessarily really showing a nor'easter. So I'm just going to go with the GFS first, and it is actually showing it. But again, as we now get to this Friday, we are going to start seeing a big rain system out there off the Gulf Coast. Going to be seeing some very heavy rain out here in Louisiana, Texas. And usually nor'easters kind of start out here into the south central with rain coming from any low pressure systems, and then they dip down, go off the east coast. So it's not rare, but we don't really see nor'easters that kind of form in the Gulf of Mexico and then go straight up. But again, that happens a couple of times a year, but it's not the most frequent pattern. But again, this is going to continue bringing some very heavy rain. Like I said, that's why we do have flood advisories and flood warnings off the Mississippi River as we will start seeing some lowering rain showers and then flooding issues out here again over the weekend. It was actually this Saturday or yesterday was my first sunny Saturday in 2 weeks, because we've been seeing every Saturday rain, and Sunday is sunny. That's why it's called Sunday. But again, it's just really funny how we're always seeing systems on Saturdays and they leave right for Sunday. Or from my area, sometimes it hangs out in the Carolinas on Sunday. But again, there's going to be some very heavy rain out here too. The Big Bend area, very heavy rain for northern Georgia, all the way to the Carolinas. And it's going to be, there's a chance that this won't be as major because we don't have any cold air moving at any point before or even during this supposedly nor'easter. So that's why it's not going to be as big and not as much snowfall. But as we now get later into Saturday, again, it does move out pretty fast on Saturday. Going to bring some flooding issues out here near Norfolk, North Carolina, Raleigh, Virginia Beach. And this could be the first snowfall for Richmond, I believe so. Could be seeing some very heavy snow out here near Baltimore, out there into the DC area. We do, I believe, Roanoke, and there's some flurries out there. And then let's say out there near out there into southern Pennsylvania, we could be seeing some snow moving in this area for Greencastle, possibly even out there, bringing some snow showers for State College in Harrisburg, and also southwestern New Jersey. As we now get into Sunday, we can possibly see some snow moving in out here into the Ohio Valley. Could be seeing some snow for Lexington, possibly some snow for southeastern Kentucky, out there into the eastern part of Tennessee. Could bring some snow showers out here into Cleveland, Columbus, Cincinnati. Not Cleveland, I meant Toledo. Again, this could bring some snow out here for areas near Atlantic City, Allentown, Philadelphia, State College, Harrisburg, Greencastle, Baltimore. Even Dover will be seeing a good amount of snowfall to come. But again, accumulation wise, it's not going to be as bad. Again, this could bring some snow out there. The system that's right next to the nor'easter could actually bring some snow for Roanoke, Asheville, North Carolina, even just a couple miles north of me, maybe like 25 miles north of me, we'll be getting some snow out there. Northern West Virginia will be seeing some very heavy snow, and then we have areas into southern Tennessee and Kentucky. But again, this nor'easter actually could bring some snow now for Boston, Providence, Hartford, Newport, areas near New York City, much of Long Island. Again, yesterday it did not show snow at all for the eastern cities, such as New York, and now it does. So that's one of probably the biggest updates, and only really huge updates compared to yesterday, other than a downgrading or downsizing, whatever you want to call it. And then could bring a lot of snow though for New York, Livingston, Atlantic City, and then all the way into Concord, New Hampshire, and then as we now get later into Sunday. So again, this will be a very fast-moving nor'easter. Usually they tend to stall, but again, look at 957 millibars. So this could potentially become also a bomb cyclone, because it's going to be dropping, I believe, more than 20 within 24 hours. So definitely a potential even bomb cyclone to be formed. And now we're going to be looking at the GFS snowfall totals. So again, snowfall totals aren't going to be crazy. They're not going to be out of the normal. Actually, they're going to be below normal when it tends to come to snowfall totals from any type of nor'east or system out here in the northeast or Appalachias. But again, we're actually going to see most of our snowfall out here into the southeast, which is not necessarily what you hear. You usually see the most amount of rain into the southeast. But again, definitely potentially could be seeing close to around a foot of snowfall out there into areas near Tennessee. Not Trade, Tennessee. Could be seeing a good amount of snowfall near Johnson City. Could be seeing 1 to 2 inches of snowfall. Areas near Boone, Indiana. Could be seeing Boone, North Carolina. Sorry, not Indiana. Boone, North Carolina. Could be seeing at that point where they're close to 10 inches of snowfall. Boone, Indiana is right on the border with Tennessee. So again, that's really one of the only towns other than really Asheville or Franklin, they'll be seeing maybe just 1 to 3 inches of snowfall. Could be seeing a good amount of snowfall for West Virginia though, and this will actually be from a system from the Ohio Valley and northeast, and nor'easter. So that's why it's going to be very high. Like we saw on the radar, there was a system that brought some snow in these areas, especially in the Appalachias, not necessarily near Nashville or Atlanta. Not going to be one of those systems really, but again, could bring up to 11 to 14 inches of snowfall, and our most amount of snowfall necessarily in the northeast area or mid-Atlantic will be out here into southwestern Pennsylvania, just a couple miles east. Pittsburgh could be seeing up to 7 to 11 inches of snowfall, especially near Falling Water Monument there. Could be seeing a good amount of snowfall on the other hand on the other side of the northeast near off the lakes. Great Lakes could be seeing around a foot of snowfall, and then won't be seeing too much snowfall for these coastal cities like Newport, maybe 2 to 3 inches of snowfall. Areas near also Boston and Foxborough, 3 inches of snowfall. Could be seeing around maybe 1 to 2 inches of snowfall near the DC area, and Baltimore around an inch, Dover around an inch, which would be, I think, their most amount of snowfall this year or only, which is very, very surprising when we're almost in February. And then could be seeing New York could be seeing it really a trace or nothing at all, and then 2 inches out here for Allentown and even Pennsylvania, and out there near the Philadelphia area. Again, here's the European. As we now get, this is Saturday, and it's showing actually arriving a lot later. Because by Saturday it's going to be bringing a ton of rain southeast, especially in the morning. But here's only showing the rain on the Gulf Coast, which is what we saw on Friday in the GFS. And then again, it's going to be showing just a rain system. It's not even going to go really affecting the Mid-Atlantic or Northeast whatsoever. And the only snow we'll be seeing at this time of the week will be actually some lake effect snow or some very small snowstorm that could bring some snow off the lakes, but again, not going to be anything whatsoever. So actually, again, still very far from now. So again, it could definitely change, but again, not showing anything at all for these areas, only a trace of snow. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and bye guys.